You know what is a quadratic equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. A, b, c are real numbers. This is a quadratic equation. All of you know you quadratic polynomial and all, you have learned about this, the solution of this equation in linear equation, quadratic equation in the lower classes you have learned. So what do you mean by the solution? Suppose you take an equation 2x squared plus minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. You take x as 1. Substitute the value of x as 1 in this equation. Left hand side minus 3x plus 1. 2 minus 3 plus 1, that is 3 minus 3 is 0, that is equal to RHS. You substitute this value of x as 1, so you are getting LHS is equal to RHS. You can say x is equal to 1 satisfies this equation. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation, or you can say it is the root of the equation, solution of the equation, or you can say root of the equation, or you can say it is a 0 of the equation. So 0 of the equation. So to find the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization, what you should do is, first you should write this quadratic equation as the product of two linear factors. So you have to write this quadratic equation as the product of two linear factors by splitting the middle term. You know how to do the splitting of middle terms. So by splitting the middle term, you write this quadratic equation as the product of two linear factors, and after that you each linear factor you equate with the 0 and then get the solution. So we will solve it and see. Find a root of 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 by factorization. So 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals, the sum is the coefficient of x, that is minus 5. Product is product of constant term and the coefficient of x squared, that is 6. So you have to find out two numbers whose sum is minus 5 and the product is 6. You know 3 2s are 6. But sum is minus means both will become minus. Minus 3 plus minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. So you can split this middle term as minus 3x and minus 2x. Therefore, you can write down 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 3. So 2x squared minus 2x, I can take 2x as common. When I take 2x out, what is left here? X. What is left here? Minus 1. Now you come here, we can take minus 3 out. When you take minus 3 out, it will be plus x here. When you take minus 3 out of this one, it will become minus 1. Therefore, here these are the two terms. You take x minus 1 out. So x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So here this quadratic equation has written as the product of two linear factors. Now you have to equate each linear. See, this one, this is equal to 0. Either this can be 0 or this can be also 0. Then only the answer will become 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. So therefore 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, which are the roots? Roots are 1 and 3 by 2. So, three by 2. The next one is question number 2. 6x squared minus x minus 2 is 0. 6x squared minus x minus 2. You know what is a sum? Sum is the coefficient of x minus 1. Product is product of constant term into coefficient of x squared minus 12. So you need to get two numbers whose product is minus 2 and sum is minus 1. So 4 into 3 is 12. So product is minus means any one of this term is minus, but sum is minus 1, therefore the greater will be minus. So it is the middle term is split up into minus 4 and plus 3. So 6x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 2. You see that plus 3x minus 4x is minus x. So take 3x out. So when you take 3x, 2 is left, 1x out x plus 1. You need to get 2x plus 1 here, so you take minus 2 out. Minus 2 when it comes here 2x, minus 2 when it comes here plus 1. So it is now from these two terms 2x plus 1 is common. So what is left here? 3x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Then you can write down each one is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2 is also equal to 0. So 2x is minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, which are the roots? Roots are minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Or another name for this root is, you can call solution of this equation are minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Or you can say zeros of this quadratic equations are minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. The next question is 3x squared minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Here again sum is coefficient of x, that is minus 2 root 6. Product is 3 into 2 is 6. So product should be 6 and sum should be minus 2 root 6. You can write minus root 6 and minus root 6. Minus root 6 plus minus root 6 is minus 2 root 6. Minus root 6 into minus plus root 6 into root 6 is 6. So it is 3x squared minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 3x squared minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2. So here I am taking root 3x out. Once I take root 3 out of 3, root 3 is left. X, root 6 can be written as root of 2 into 3. So you can take this one root 2 into root 3. So when I take root 3 out, it is root 2 is left here, that is minus root 2. Now here this again, this is root 2 into root 3. This is root 2 into root 2. So I am taking minus root 2 out. Minus 2 root 2 when I take, it will become root 3x. Here minus root 2 out, when it comes out minus root 2. So again root 3x minus root 2 is common. Here again this is also minus 3x. Here minus root 2 equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 2 is 0. This is also same. You see, you can see that both these linear factors are same. So root 3x is equal to root 2, x is equal to root 2 by root 3, that is root of 2 by 3. Here also equal to root 2, x is equal to root of 2 by 3. So you are getting 2 equal roots. So 2 equal roots mean this quadratic equation has 2 equal roots which are root of 2 by root 3 and root of 2 by root 3. So here you are getting 2 equal roots, here you are getting 2 different roots. So quadratic equation can have at most 2 roots.